And let me go with the problem number 14 here. Which fraction should be added to the sum of 5 3 by 4, 4 4 by 5, 7 3 by 8 to make the result a whole number? Right, let us first add it here. So they have given in terms of mixed fraction, right, that is 5 3 by 4, right, and plus that is 4 4 by 5 plus 7 3 by 8. So first step, convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, right. So multiply here and then add here. So 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23 by 4, right, plus, so 5 4s are 20 24 by 5, right, plus 8 7s are 56 plus 3 59 59 by 8. Now take a LCM for those, that is 4 5 8 LCM. So to go with the 2 2s are 5, I can't divide, 2 4s are, again you go with the 2 1s are 5, 2 2s are. So multiply this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 40 is the LCM, right. Now 4 10s are 10 into 23, that is 230, plus 5 8 into 24, right, 24 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 2s are 10 plus 3, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 192, plus 8 5s are, so now 59 into 5 you need to multiply, 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 4 29, 295. Now add it here, right, 5 plus 2 7, right, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 3, 18 plus 3 is how much, 21, 1 2 carry, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 717 by 40. Now this is not a whole number, now we are supposed to add something. So now let me add it here. See, 717 is not possible to divide by, see, 717 we can't divide completely 40, right. So it should be 720. If it is 720 we can divide it, because 72 is divisible by 4, right. So we need to add 3 here, right. So let us check out here, right. So 40 48s are 41s are, let me go with this, 41s are 40, right. We got 31, 7 you bring down, 317, 48s are 320 will come, 48s are 320 will come. So if you subtract minus 3 will be difference, this 3 we need to add it here, that is nothing but, so plus 3 by 40. If you add, what happens here, 717 plus 3, because the denominator is same, you can directly add the numerator, 717 plus 3 is 720 by 40. Now you can simplify it, this will become 72 by 4, right, 4 1s are 32, 4 8s are, so this 18 is a whole number. So option here is 3 by 40. So you need to add 3 by 40 to 717 by 40, so that it will become a whole number. Option C is the right one.